Welcome students to Gyan Bharati Hindi High School English Medium Standard 12 Accounts Chapter 1 Introduction to Partnership. Today is our fourth lecture. We had started short sums in the previous lectures which are to be asked for 3 marks in board exams. We will continue with the sums today. Moving forward to the fourth sum. Sheila, Surbi, Seema. They are 3 partners. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is 5 and 7 and 9. Manager Sanket is to get 10% commission from profit after deduction of his commission. So from the net profit he will get 10% commission, that is the amount of net profit we will calculate. Its 10% commission will be given to him. After adding that we will get the gross profit. Surbi receives share of profit 7,000. Determine amount of commission of Sanket, that is the manager, and also find the amount of profit before commission of manager. So firstly, Sheila, Surbi and Seema, their ratio of profit and loss is 5 gem, 7 gem, 9. So Surbi's ratio is 7 upon, adding all the 3, 5 and 7, 12, 12 and 9, 21. So 7 upon 21 is her part. So she is receiving rupees 7,000. So if 7 upon 21 is part of Surbi and if she is receiving 7,000, so total profit, let it assume that it is 1. So what will be its amount? So 1 into 7,000, that is cross multiplying 1 and 7,000 and dividing it by 7 upon 12. So 12 will go in multiplication. 7,000 into, sorry, mistake, it is 21 into 21 upon 7. So after calculating we will get total profit as 21,000 rupees. So total profit of the firm was 21,000 rupees. So commission of manager, that is 10% of total profit. So 21,000 into 10%, so that comes to rupees 2,100. So what will be the amount of profit before commission of manager? So total amount is divisible profit plus commission of manager. So divisible profit is 21,000 plus commission is 2,100. So total we will get 23,100. Next question number 5. Riya, Dilip and Kirtan are partners of a firm. Kirtan share is 1/5 share of Dilip and Riya's share is double than that of Kirtan. Profit at the end of year is 1,92,000. Determine each partner's share. So first of all, let Dilip's share is 1. So Kirtan's share will be 1/5 of Dilip and last one is Riya. Riya's share is twice of Kirtan. So 2 into 1 by 5, that is 2 by 5. Calculating their profit and loss ratio, so it will be Dilip, Kirtan and Riya. Dilip share is 1, Kirtan share is 1 upon 5 and Riya share is 2 upon 5. Here we are not having any denominator, calculating the LCM. So multiplying and dividing by 5, so we will get 5 gem, 1 gem, 2. So now we want to calculate each partner's share if the total profit is 1,92,000. So total profit given is 1,92,000. First we are calculating Dileep's share. Total is 1,92,000 and Dileep's share is fifth part. That is 5 and 1 6, 6 and 2 8. So 5 upon 8. Calculating this, we will get rupees 1,20,000. Second is Kirtan. Kirtan's part will be total is 1,92,000 into 1 upon 8. So that will be rupees 24,000. And third one is Riya. Riya's share total is 1,92,000 into her share is 2 and total is 8. So 2 upon 8. So she will get rupees 48,000 from the profit. Sixth question. Milan, Hemant and Rasik have divided profit of rupees 1,89,000 in equal proportion instead of 1:2:4. So their original profit and loss sharing ratio was 1:2:4. By mistake, they have divided the amount of profit, that is 1,89,000, in equal parts. To rectify this mistake, what treatment will be given to the capital account? So first of all, total profit is 1,89,000. If we divide it equally, so if we divide it by 3, we will get rupees 63,000, which was done by mistake. So first we will calculate incorrect distribution, that is equal ratio, that will be subtracted from the original ratio. So minus 63,000 minus 63,000 minus 63,000, again that was by mistake equally divided. Now the original ratio is 1:2:4. So from it, Milan's share will be 1,89,000. Milan's part is 1 and total is 3, 3 and 4, 7. So divided by 7 into 1 by 7. So his part will be rupees 27,000. Similarly, Hemant's part will be 1,89,000 into his part is 2 upon 7, that will be 54,000, and calculating in the same way, Rasik's part will be 1,08,000. So keeping their correct distribution into the table, so Milan's correct share is 27,000, Hemant's correct share is 54,000 and Rasik's correct share is 1,08,000. Calculating the amount of difference, so Milan will have minus 36,000, that will be debited to his account. Similarly, after calculating Hemant's share, we will get minus 9,000, that will also be credited to his account. And lastly, after calculation, we will get plus 45,000, that will be credited. So rectification entry, that is journal entry, first is Milan's capital or current account, amount will be 36,000. Similarly, Hemant's capital or current account, debit, will be 9,000 and 2, last one is Rasik's capital or current account, it will be 45,000.